In this video, we will discuss the answers for the open-ended questions 73, 42, and 17. 73, we had already gone over in class, so hopefully you filled A, B, and C in, and we'll move on to number 42. Be aware that there could be more than one way to show the work for these problems. Here we go. For number 42, as you read the problem, you notice there's some comparisons here. So I took the unit rate, 9.6 miles per hour, and I set up a proportion using the 40 miles for Valerie, and I calculated how many hours it would take her by solving that proportion using cross products and getting H by itself. And I ended up finding out that it would take her about 4.2 hours to cover those 40 miles. Now turn your paper over to number 42, part B. We're looking at a graph that shows Manuel's bike ride. And we notice that Valerie wants to increase her speed by 4% to see if she can ride faster than Manuel. Looking closely at the graph, we can see that Manuel is riding 10 miles an hour. Now let's see what a 4% increase for Valerie would be. Looking at her speed from the other side, in part A, 9.6 miles per hour, a 4% increase calculates to about 0.384 miles per hour more. Add that on to 9.6 and you get 9.984, which is less than 10 miles per hour. And in number 17, you can see we're looking at a box of pencils. There's 25 pencils in the box. You see what colors there are, red, blue, and green. And using that information, we can answer part A, and we can say that the likelihood is impossible for there to be a yellow pencil pulled out of the box. In part B, we notice that it would be an equal likely chance for a red to be pulled as a blue. Now part C has a little bit more detail to it. So we're going to be adding 11 colored pencils to the box. And we notice that we must have more green than red, but the green must be less than blue. So what could the possible colors be that we added? So what possible combination of 11 pencils, red, blue, and green, could we have? My first idea was to add 9 green, 1 red, and 1 blue, which would give us 12 green, 12 red, and 12 blue. So then the green would not be greater than red. So I had to go to a second idea. So I thought, let's put 9 green in and 2 blue. This would give us 12 green, 13 blue, and 11 red. And that means there's more green than red and less green than blue. So adding 9 green and 2 blue would be the correct answer. Have a great attitude and follow directions, and you will do just fine.